What do you think of this answer about AI and trust and context?
Well, I think organizations I speak to, that obviously trust is the biggest kind of barrier to scaling in some ways. I mean, there's obviously infrastructure issues in certain companies, but trust comes up over and over again. But it's not necessarily something people think, oh, I can buy some software to solve that problem. It's somewhat sometimes it's an amorphous thing. But as they start to think about agents in the same way they've been thinking about employees over the decades, I think that gives them a very good framework. And what we've been talking here makes kind of puts that into perspective and makes it real. I also think I totally agree with Christian about it's a multimodal world we're going to be living in. There's going to be commercial models, there's going to be open weight models, there's going to be models on prem, there's going to be models in clouds, and all those kinds of things. So I think it's that combination of models to data to agents, all wrapped up with with trust is the way we're going to be going.
Yeah, I think I would summarize the core thesis for Snowflake with peace of mind, sleeping well at night on topics like security and correctness and all these things that we discussed about trust. The mental model that we have is you need, of course, AI models. That's a big part of it. You need the data, and that's what we help with that foundation. You need access to enterprise systems. I mentioned email and CRM and all that. And then you need an orchestrator, which is the control plane that helps bind all these elements together. That's what at Snowflake we've delivered with Co-work and Co-co, one for knowledge workers, the other one for builders. And that is what brings the value to the enterprise. And trust is front and center. And we're very excited about our ability to help our customers help get the value of AI.
Yeah, and I think that that's really where a lot of companies are focused right now. But I think that Snowflake is maybe in a better position simply because you have this incredible background of helping customers, helping enterprises with data for so long across a variety of areas. And so it basically sets you up to be able to support these AI applications as well. So thank you so much for joining us for this episode of Utilizing AI. Christian, before we go, where can people connect with you and continue this conversation?
Thank you for having me, Stephen, and multiple ways. Of course, snowflake.com has all the latest information on what we provide. And we're about to kick off what we call the Snowflake World Tour. We stop on 20 something cities around the world. I'm personally going to be London, Tokyo, New York in a couple of hours. And that's the best place to go and learn next level detail on how Snowflake can help with AI.